back to Kane's Kitchen. Today, we're making brownie cupcakes. These are the ingredients you'll need.
Chocolate, butter, salt, vanilla, sugar, flour, eggs.
First, melt the chocolate. Add the chocolate.
Now add the sugar.
Now mix. Now add eggs and vanilla. Now add the flour and salt. Now pour it into cupcake tin. While we're waiting for the brownies to cool, we're gonna make the frosting. These are the ingredients you need.
Butter, vanilla, chocolate, powdered sugar.
Now, cream the butter. Now add vanilla and sugar next.
Now add the chocolate.
Time for my favorite part, the taste test! That's good!
Guys, can join us next time for another mystery.